Hi, can I have a slice of pizza?
Of course.
I'll put your tip right up here.
When she orders, I put the order up here, which goes down the order line and hits the target at the top of the lever, allowing it to turn out and the ball to roll, which hits this piece of wood, which turns, hits the bigger ball, which rolls into the pulley. The pulley pulls the ramp up, allowing the magnetic marble to roll down the ramp and into the pinball machine.
When it rolls through the tube, it hits these 3 magnets, allowing this one to roll down and trigger these next 3 steps. When this rolls down, it hits this little magnet, and eventually this one falls off the end and hits this piece of wood. When this piece of wood gets hit, this one goes up and allows this one to roll down and hit this clump of magnets, which causes one to fall off. This rolls down here and attaches to these magnets, which snap and let the other magnet jump onto this piece of wood and let this one roll down onto this ramp.
As it rolls out of the pinball machine via this ramp, it will fall into this cup. This pulls on this spoon right here, which then swings and hits the other spoon. The other spoon is also a lever, which in turn pushes on this, another lever that pushes on this, which lifts up, letting the Lazy Susan rotate around with the peg so that it hits this spoon right here. That will push the Parmesan cheese into the first plate. The plates act as dominoes, falling, and finally hitting this spoon lever here.
When this lever turns, it allows this blue marble right here to roll down the ramp and go into this tube. When it rolls all the way down the tube, it hits this small peg at the end of the tube, knocking it out of the way and allowing this picture frame to tilt. That allows this ball to roll down and into this cup, which acts as a pulley system pulling out this smaller peg out of the way. When that happens, it allows the picture frame to tilt again and letting this small balls roll down these tubes and hit the larger ball, which rolls down this ramp, goes down these tubes, and rolls all the way down and hits this spoon.
When the spoon moves, it releases this pizza cutter to zipline down into this book. It hits the clip, which then allows the pizza roller to hit this can going into this lever. The lever then allows the can of tomatoes to roll, hitting the wooden spoon, which in turn moves the tongs, which hits the spatula, allowing the Coca-Cola bottle to fall, triggering the remote.
When the remote is triggered, it sends a signal to activate this motor. This starts driving down and it hits this spatula. The spatula pulls a rope, which in turn lowers this lever, which allows this cup to fall. When this cup falls, it does 2 things. It releases this stick so this can pass through, and it pulls this stick so this tomato falls on the pizza. This happens for 3 steps until it hits this wall.
When it hits that gate, it pulls all the way over here and pulls this spatula up, allowing the Parmesan container to fall. That slides the pizza across the counter to the customer and hits this mechanism. That pulls the string out from here and delivers the coin into the piggy bank.